Is it the right time to buy or sell Barnes & Noble Education stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Barnes & Noble Education. We previously published a report on our website on Tuesday, January 2, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Starting from December 27, 2023, our system has identified Barnes & Noble Education as a strong buy candidate, with an impressive score of 8.13. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this specific period. If you followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed a remarkable gain of 32.23% since we first mentioned Barnes & Noble Education as a buy candidate just 4 days ago. That's an average return of 8.06% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The stock has recently broken a strong upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of rise. If there is any pullback, there will be support at the previous trend level of $1.54, which could provide a second opportunity for growth. According to fan theory, the next possible resistance level is $1.91, which may not be easily surpassed. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 45.12% change in the next 3 months, with a return ranging from 7.17% to 40.09%. However, the 12-month trend suggests a minus 40.47% change over the next year, with a potential return between minus 79.52% and minus 40.47%. This means the price could range from $0.328 to 95 cents in a year's time. Our latest update for Barnes & Noble Education brings us an intriguing headline: volatile ride for Barnes & Noble Education Inc. stock price on Tuesday moving between $1.51 and $1.75. On the last trading day, Tuesday, January 2, 2024, the stock price of Barnes & Noble Education Inc. increased by 7.38%, going from $1.49 to $1.60. This marks the 5th consecutive day of gains. It will be fascinating to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. Throughout the trading day, the stock experienced a significant fluctuation of 15.91%, reaching a low of $1.51 and a high of $1.75. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 5 instances, resulting in a 23.08% increase over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also witnessed a positive surge, with 292,000 more shares being traded compared to the previous day. In total, 1 million shares were purchased and sold, amounting to approximately $1.70 million. Looking at the overall picture, the highest stock price in the past 52 weeks was $2.52, while the lowest was $0.750. Currently, the price stands at 36.51% below the 52-week high, equivalent to a decrease of 92 cents. It is also 87.83% below the all-time high, which was reached on December 20, 2016 when the price soared to $13.15. Analyst ratings. In an update on Friday, March 10, 2023, it was reported that Needham has given BNED a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Barnes & Noble Education stock a general buy rating. They rate the PE ratio as buy and price to book as buy. The analysts have rated the stock as neutral for return on investment. Today, we're going to take a look at the signals for Barnes & Noble Education stock. The chart shows mostly positive signals. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, which gives a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals also supports a buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of corrections, there is support from the lines at $1.32 and $1.24. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it may issue sell signals. On Friday, December 22, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 39.13%. Further rise is expected until a new top pivot has been found. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, and the volume is rising along with the price. These are considered to be good technical signals. Today, we will discuss some interesting signals that you may find useful in your trading strategy. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence indicator, which currently shows a buy signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The Bollinger Bands also provided a buy signal 151 days ago. Looking at short-term moving averages, we can see a buy signal 4 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 5 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 44 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart analysis, the short moving average displayed a buy signal 5 days ago. However, the long-term moving average showed a sell signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also indicated a buy signal 20 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Barnes & Noble Education. When it comes to the downside, the stock has some support levels to consider. Currently, there is support just below today's level at $1.41 and $1.27. It's important to understand that when a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. For Barnes & Noble Education Inc., the next support from accumulated volume will be at $1.27 and $1.23. It's worth noting that this stock can be quite volatile throughout the day. The Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval, classifying this stock as high risk. In the last day, the stock had a price range of $0.240, which is equivalent to a 15.91% difference between its high and low. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 12.85%. Before we discuss potential trading levels for Barnes & Noble Education, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Established companies may face temporary downturns due to external factors. However, if a company consistently has a negative P/E ratio, it could indicate insufficient profits and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for March 7, 2024. Let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Barnes & Noble Education. When it comes to resistance from accumulated volume, there aren't any significant barriers above. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. If you decide to enter a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine your exit strategy. On the downside, Barnes & Noble Education encounters its first support level at $1.41. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, potentially leading to a rebound in the stock price. According to multiple analyst sources, Barnes & Noble Education has received a combined average rating of buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On December 14, 2023, Golden David G. sold 15,000 shares of common stock. On November 17, 2023, Golden David G. sold 20,000 shares of common stock. On September 22, 2023, Shar Jonathan bought 79,269 shares of common stock. On September 22, 2023, Shar Jonathan sold 79,269 shares of common stock. On September 23, 2023, Shar Jonathan, sold 7,570 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -31.606. Overall, insiders purchased 2,155,689 shares and sold 1,433,175 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $1.54, which represents a decrease of 3.5%. This particular stock tends to experience significant daily movements, making it a higher-risk investment. However, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 5 days ago. Is Barnes & Noble Education stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals for Barnes & Noble Education stock. Additionally, the stock has broken the rising trend up, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. This suggests that there may be a buying opportunity at the current level, with a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short-term period. Furthermore, our systems have found that the current price is undervalued, based on the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to trading on Wednesday, January 3rd, we anticipate that Barnes & Noble Education will open up $0.0201 and start trading at $1.62. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Whether you agree or disagree, comment below and share your insights with us. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Sending regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.